Hey guys, so today finally the item that I've been waiting for months and months has arrived. Well, I've been looking for this item for many months, and then I finally found it, and they had it available in. So this item is coming from Louis Vuitton in Palermo. So all the way in from Palermo. So there was one um, available item of this model. Okay, so they've really packed it like there's no tomorrow. I don't even know how to open this. Okay, so I was finally able to open it. It's not the usual. Okay, so you can see what it is. It's not the usual Louis Vuitton box that I guess you guys get in America with the Louis Vuitton, I don't know, sign in it. So here we go. They put a folded up paper bag, and here is the box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't even know what this is, but I think this is the receipt. Yes, it's the receipt, and this one is no idea. Also a receipt, so they have two receipts. Okay. All right, I can't wait. I've been looking for this item for probably 6 months now. I've been back and forth at the boutique here in Rome, and I've tried calling the hotline number for many times, and it's always sold out. Okay, so how do you open this? Oh, this is the box, like the shoe box. They put it in a shoe box. I'm so disappointed. There we go. It's already peeking. Oh my god, it's so cute. So cute. Okay, so as you guys know, this is the Nice Nano, the smallest of them all. So you have the Louis Vuitton engraving in there. Okay, so far it looks okay. It looks good. Let's see the interior. Okay, so you have the Louis Vuitton stamping in there, and I mean, looks fine to me. There's no damages or anything. Yeah. Well, that is so nice. I'm really happy with that. I'm planning to do this, like I've seen it on YouTube so many times that people have been putting twillies in there, or like D-rings to make it as crossbody bag. So that's what I'm planning to do. Zipper is a bit tight, not very easy to close, but I'm gonna do something with it. Maybe put something to make it loosen up. So I'm gonna just make a quick comparison with the backpack that I just bought a few days ago from the By the Pool collection. So this is really tiny. No, they're so cute together. So you have like a mini backpack and a mini vanity case. Side by side. Oh, by the way, I was able to exchange this backpack. If you've seen my previous video, this was actually a bit wonky, and now it looks better. So they were able to get another of this article in the store, and my SA texted me that if I wanted to exchange it with that one, I mean this one now, I can come over to the store and just exchange it. So that was super nice of him. I'm so happy with this one because the other one, the lining, not sure if you can see, but that lining, it was a bit like stitched up to here, and it was like this, like it wouldn't stay in place unless I switch it like that. But this is so much better, and there was like some loose threading in this part here, so this one is just perfect. The mini Nano mini vanity case and the mini backpack, so cute together. Let me know if you guys want me to do maybe a video of what fits inside, or I don't know what stuff I can put in this too, like comparisons wise. So yeah, so happy about these two little mini things. They're so in right now. By the way, I forgot to show you this one. This is my old Chanel bag. I'm gonna be shipping it to her new owner from Ireland. Someone from Instagram contacted me about this, so I'll be shipping her to someone to be adopted. Here we go. I'm gonna miss her so much. I've used this bag so many times. Everywhere, Paris, Greece. I've been with this bag for such a long time. Traveled with it for a long time, and it's finally going to her new home. So I'm definitely gonna miss this one. It's blue iridescent, kind of like metallic. I'm not really sure what kind of color is this, but yeah. So said hello to my new Louis Vuitton bags, and saying goodbye to my old Chanel Easy Chic flap bag, I think it's called. There we go. Yeah, so just to quickly show you and to have like a memory of it. All right guys, thank you again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.